Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Playful Rewards error on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data, or turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your connection. After that, close the app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Playful Rewards app to close it completely. Now open the app again and check Playful Rewards. Now open Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Tracking. Turn on Allow app to request to track. Also make sure tracking is on for the app using Playful Rewards. Now go back to the settings again, then tap on Notifications. Find the app, turn on notifications. This helps the app update reward correctly. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPN can block reward tracking, and that's it. That's how you fix Playful Rewards error on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.